Hi, in this session we will discuss about the stresses acting on a thin cylinder. There are two types of stresses acting on a thin cylinders. They are circumferential or hoop stress and the second one is longitudinal stress. Here P is the internal pressure acting on the cylinder, R is the radius of the cylinder, T is the thickness of the cylinder. We will execute this program in the Matlab. Clear all CLC. We will open the new script. Clear all means it clears the workspace. Clear the workspace. Clear all. Close all. CLC means it clears the command window below here. Close all means if you plot any graphs, it closes all those graphs. Circumferential longitudinal stress of a thin cylinder. Sorry, error. Inputs. P is equal to 25. Internal pressure. Internal pressure in megapascal. P is equal to 20. Diameter of cylinder mm is equal to 6. In mm as A equal to 150. Allowable stress. Longitudinal stress formula X is equal to E into E divided by E. Printf. Longitudinal stress percentage of exclamation is the output value. Here percentage F means here X is the output value. Here let us X is equal to 100. So 100 will print here. \n means if we print the line, if we create a new line, I will show. Or stress. Let us consider circumferential stress is Y. Copy this line. hoop stress y. Now we will run this. Save as cylinders. See here, each and every value print here. Is equal to 25, d is equal to 20, thickness is equal to 6, s is equal to 150. I don't need all these inputs in the command window. In this case, just add a semicolon. I don't want to print these values here. Now run this. So we will get the longitudinal stress is equal to 41 and hoop stress is equal to 20. This happens here. If f is a float, if we change to d, it means in the form of 4.1 e to the power of 1. It looks like smart float. So I change to f. If I miss this line, see, after this line, second line will continue in this line. This is the reason we add a new line here. After printing longitudinal stress, it moves to the new line. Now we will use a conditional statements here. Conditional statement. We will use if else statement. If say allowable stress is greater than longitudinal stress, display in cylinder is safe under the loading. You copy this, it will be helpful in that. Just copy this, it will be helpful. Next line. If SA is greater than X, if it is true, it displays thin cylinder is safe under pressure loading. If SA not greater than X, what will happen? We will see here. Thin cylinder is not safe under pressure loading. And now run this. See, thin cylinder is safe under pressure loading. SA greater than X. What is SA? SA is 150. 150 greater than X. X is nothing but longitudinal stress, 41. So, thin cylinder is safe under pressure loading. We will change this value to 100. See, longitudinal stress is 166. SA is 150. 150 greater than 166. It is false. So thin cylinder is not safe under pressure loading. Yeah, this is a workspace here. Whatever you execute here, it will save in the workspace. D, P, S, A, T, X, Y. If you don't want this in here, just clear all. So it clears the workspace. Now I want to clear the command window. Just type CLC. It clears the command window. This is the use of clear on and CLC.